In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a task checklist in ClickUp. To get started, open the ClickUp task where you want to add your checklist. This is the task that will hold all of the items you want to track, so make sure you're in the right place before moving on. Checklists are especially useful for breaking a task into smaller, manageable actions, which makes progress easier to follow and helps nothing get missed. Once the task is open, look below the task description and click Create Checklist. This will add a new checklist section directly inside the task. It's a simple feature, but it can make a big difference when you're organizing detailed work or setting up repeatable processes. Next, enter a name for the checklist. Choose a name that clearly describes what the checklist is for, so it's easy to recognize later. A clear title can be helpful if the task contains multiple checklists, or if other team members will be using it too. After naming the checklist, type your first checklist item and press enter. This creates the first action item in the list. Try to keep each item short and specific so it's easy to understand at a glance. From there, continue entering more checklist items, pressing enter after each one. As you build the list, think about the order that makes the most sense for completing the work. A well-organized checklist can save time and reduce confusion. If you want to assign a checklist item to someone, hover over that item, click the assign icon, and select the person. This is useful when multiple people are involved. And you want clear ownership for each part of the task. You can also reorder items at any time by dragging and dropping them into your preferred order. This is helpful if your plan changes or if you entered items quickly and want to organize them afterward. To create a nested item, drag a checklist item underneath another item. This turns it into a sub-item, which is great for showing smaller steps that belong under a larger action. It helps keep the checklist structured, without making it feel cluttered. When an item is finished, click the checkbox beside it to mark it complete. This gives you a quick visual of what's done and what still needs attention. If you want to reuse the checklist in the future, open the checklist menu and select Save as Template. This is a great time saver for recurring workflows or routine tasks. Thanks for watching.